Hello everybody. In this section here, we're going to be doing a few simple volumes of prisms. Prisms can come in all different shapes and sizes. It's important to identify the bases, and that helps define it. Bases could be triangles, pentagons, parallelograms, what have you. But the basic formula for any volume of any prism is the area of the base times the height. Once you establish those two, you're good to go. So for number one, your base here is an 8 by 8 square, and that is 64, and it's 8 feet high. So it's 64 times 8. And our volume here then is 512 cubic feet. Now also notice it's just a cube. Cube, you can take length, width, and height, multiply together 8 times 8 times 8. You can still get the same thing. For number two, we have a triangular prism. A triangular prism, first have to figure out the volume of the base. Base is 1/2 base times height of a triangle. We have a triangle here with a base of 3, and it is 1.5 centimeters high, and then it is 4 centimeters long. 1/2 times 3 times 1.5 times 4 is 9 cubic centimeters. Alright, number 3, another triangular prism. You got to figure out the base, which is a triangle, and notice it is a 30, 60, 90 triangle with the hypotenuse being 12, and the hypotenuse is 12, the short side then is 6, and then the long side is 6 radical 3, and there's our base and height. Okay, we got 1/2 base times the height, and that's of the triangle, and then the actual length or height of this prism is 15. So putting it all together, 1/2 6 radical 3 times 6 times 15 comes out to 467.7. Let's try this again. 467.7 cubic feet. Okay, number 4. Looks like we have a parallelogram as a base, and the base of the area of that parallelogram is just simply 10 by 15. And then the height, as we can see here, is 12. Now notice it's sort of an oblique type prism. The Cavalieri's principle just says no matter what the slant height or how it's situated, the volume is going to be the same. 10 times 15 times 12 gives us 1800 cubic feet. Number 5, we have a trapezoidal prism. First, need to find the area of the trapezoid. Remember, the area of a trapezoid, 1/2 the height of the trapezoid, which in this case is 1.5, times the sum of the two bases. Bases are 2 and 4. 2 and 4 added together to give us 6. All that needs to be multiplied by the 6, that height there. When we're putting all this together, we get 27 cubic centimeters. Okay, number 6 again, another oblique prism. Volume is the base times height. That looks like a parallelogram there. 7 by 4 by 3 units high is going to yield 84 cubic yards.